Yeah, my 2 hands. Okay, so the camera just shut off. So I had to start another video, but I'm going to connect them. So, yeah. Because I have like 3 minutes of video recording time. No, more than that, way more than that. But, yeah, Molly, I think this is good. I'll add a little bit more lotion. Ugh! I just don't think it's fun looking at that little dot right there for the camera. I like to watch myself play with the slime. My eyes go like this a lot.
Shake it, Zimbo. Shake it, Zeus. Zimbo, yeah. Zimbo, yeah.
Graham.
What?
Video.
Okay.
Everybody be quiet so I can do some ASMR.
Okay, Zeus, that's it. Come on. No, Zeus. Done. No.
Yeah, you Graham.
No, Zeus. Zeus. No.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed the ASMR with this beautiful slime.
Go, Zeus. No.
Remember how it turned out horrible? Molly, if this... Never mind. Just. Hi, I love you. You love me. Yeah. So, like, I was on the bus and Logan, like... I was like, what are you doing? Boy, what is this? Boy. What are you doing? Logan? Get your facts right. Okay, let's prove that this slime is not about to make a bubble. Yeah, see if that counts as a bubble. Sorry, my grandma's giving my dog a treat. What is this thing? I just took a picture, so that's why you just started to make those weird faces. There we go. Yeah, just ignore me for a second. There we go. Sorry about that. Wonderful. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. So, here's Molly's slime. Let's get to the next slime. Just kidding. No. That was great. Oh, and did I mention that this is color shifting? This is supposed to change into like a blue, and it they say that this is glossy, but yeah, no, that's not that glossy. It's kind of pale. Yeah, my sister's playing Fortnite right now. Comment down below if you know Fortnite. I don't know if I should stick this in, because this one's like hard. But I'm like trying to